Hello everyone. I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Faramatra. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Now, I am going to deliver a topic, optical fiber. I introduce the basic instructions of optical fiber. What is optical fiber? An optical fiber is a transparent sheet within thin as human hair, made of glass or clear plastic, designed to guide light wave along its length. It works on the principle of total internal reflection, TIR. When light enters one end of the fiber, it undergoes successive total internal reflection. So the light movement, this one, this is successive total internal reflection from side walls and travel down the length of fiber along a zigzag path. When light travel from one end to other end of the fiber, there is a very small loss through the side walls because no any material in the world which do not absorb any light. So this phenomena has been developed by two scientists, one scientist from UK and another one is Holland, which name is Dr. Hopkins and Naren Singh Capney, which developed in 1950 optical fiber phenomena. Many scientists have been working in the field of telecommunications and improving the problem of light traveling in fiber. So this is the basic diagram of optical fiber phenomena. This diagram has been introduced the three coaxial cable. The internal cable is known as core, which diameter is 20 to 100 micrometer, and another cable is known as cladding, which diameter is 100 to 200 micrometer, and last one, outer surface of the region, is cable known as sheath or jacket. So the signal travel in the core area and the refractive index of core, which is represented from N1, is always greater than the refractive index of cladding. So N1 greater than N2 due to total internal reflection. Now we discuss structure designing of optical fiber cable. So we introduce three types of coaxial region. Innermost region is called core, middle region is called cladding, and third one, outer surface of the region, is called sheath or jacket. An optical fiber has three coaxial region: core, cladding and jacket. The refractive index of core N1 is always greater than refractive index of cladding N2 due to region of total internal reflection. When light enter into the core and striking core cladding boundary, this is core cladding boundary, at an angle greater than critical angle, with reflect into the core. The jacket or sheath protect core from absorption, interaction with environment, moisture and heat, and enhanced mechanical strength of fiber. So this is structure designing of optical fiber cable. Now This is the third segment of optical fiber classification. What is classification? The innermost region, this one, is called core, which diameter is 20 to 100 micrometer, and middle region, this is called cladding, which diameter is 100 to 200 micrometer, and outermost region, this is called sheath or jacket, which diameter range is 200 to 250 micrometer. So this optical fiber cable has been three types of optical fiber, three types. First one is single mode step index fiber, second one multi-mode step index fiber, and third one is gridded index fiber. I discuss one by one. Now I discuss types of fiber when signal has been propagated one place to another place. So first one is single mode step index fiber, second one is multi-mode step index fiber, and third one is gridded index fiber. I discuss one by one. First one is single mode step index fiber, SMF. This is the index profile of optical fiber cable, which N1 is core refractive index and N2 is cladding refractive index, and outer surface is called jacket or sheath. If we have taken cross-section view of this optical fiber cable, the phenomena has been shown this type. And side view of optical fiber signals, so we use single mode. So one signal has been moving in the straight line. The fiber has very fine thin core of uniform refractive index of higher value of cladding refractive index due to total internal reflection. N1 is greater than N2. So its diameter is 20 to 100 micrometer. It's carried out only one mode signal, so it is called single mode step index fiber. Now the second one is multi-mode step index fiber, which is called MMF, multi-mode fiber. So the name is called multi-mode, one to another, more than one. So with their large core diameter, there are many paths through which light can travel. So it supports a number of modes. Light ray travel straight path through center, reaches end before other ray, which follow a zigzag path. Its diameter range is 20 to 100 micrometer. So it is called multi-mode step index fiber. Now the third type of fiber is known as GRIN. GRIN means gridded index fiber. What is gridded index fiber? When the more signal has been introduced in the optical fiber cable, so we have apply a mechanism. Because all signals has been overlapped to each other, the attenuation has been more and signal strength has been less. So first, this is the index profile, similar, and this one is the core cross section area. This is also similar, but the mechanism of the signal transfer to one point to another point is different. So what is difference? The difference is we have used the grid. When we are using the grid section, they can move to this type. All signals move in straight line. What is the purpose to move the signal in straight line? The signal loss has been minimum and signal strength has been maximum. So it is an improvement on multi-mode step index fiber because light ray travel faster through lower refractive index. Light at fiber core travel more slowly than light near the surface, this area. So both light ray arrive at exit point almost same time. It is called reducing model dispersion. So a special type of green core diameter is 50 to 85 micrometer. So this facility has been availed the large number of signals to propagate one point to another point. Now one mathematical formula has been explained for green. Now the mathematical formula of green is nr equal to n1 2 delta की power half under root 1 minus r upon a का whole square. What is nr? nr is the refractive index of core at a distance x from center of the core, and n1 is the refractive index of core. Delta is the normalized difference index, and r is the r and a is the radius of core. So this formula has been used to apply the green condition. So I hope you understand the basic features of optical fiber cable. This is important for introductory part. So thank you so much.